Toxic people don't fear your anger. They fear the moment you stop reacting. Because silence is something they can't read, and what they can't read, they can't control. You don't defeat toxic people by arguing. You defeat them by becoming mentally unreachable. Here are 7 silent behaviors that quietly break their control, even when you say nothing. 1. You notice everything, but reveal nothing. Toxic people look for reactions. They want emotions. They want signals. When you stay neutral, calm, unreadable, they lose direction. Your silence becomes a mirror, and what they see in it makes them uncomfortable. 2. You stop explaining yourself. You realize something powerful. Not everyone deserves clarity. Instead of justifying, you pull back emotionally. That's when they feel it. They're no longer important enough to argue with. 3. You choose space instead of chaos. Drama is their comfort zone. Distance is their weakness. When you step away, they lose access. And without access, manipulation fails. 4. You stay composed, not cold. They expect anger, they expect retaliation, but you respond with controlled calm. Your steadiness exposes their instability, because real strength doesn't shout, it stays balanced. 5. You don't seek justice. You don't seek revenge. You don't try to prove anything. You trust one thing instead: time. Because toxic behavior always circles back, and life handles lessons better than arguments ever could. 6. You value peace over approval. You no longer try to be liked. You no longer try to fit in, and that terrifies them. Because control only works when you need validation. The moment peace becomes your priority, their power disappears. 7. You become a mystery. You stop oversharing. You stop defending. You stop explaining changes. And that silence unsettles them, because they can't manipulate what they no longer understand. Toxic people don't fear being exposed. They fear becoming irrelevant. Silence doesn't just protect your peace. It quietly ends their influence. Stay calm, stay private, stay unpredictable. And if this shifted your mindset, comment the line that hit you the hardest and follow MindSwitch Facts, where awareness becomes power.